All right, we're looking at the front door right here. Got some darker wood accents. Right here we have one of the closets, and it has, we got the robe in there. Also, there's a nice laundry bag, actually. Safe as well. Then we're gonna come into the bathroom. See what we got here. We got a sliding door for the bathroom. Double vanity. Water in there for you. And then for a water closet, frosted glass, phone in there like we're in Vegas. Ooh, they got the golden stickers on the toilet paper. Got these type floors. I'm not sure what this material is. And then we can turn around and look at the bathroom or the tub area. Wait, is there a shower? I don't even know. What is this? Oh, so we got the tub here. If we can kind of get the angle right, we can see that there's a shower right all in this area with two heads. Corner here. Amenities right there, but this is all one spot. The shower and the tub. Okay. Now we'll get back into our zoom in and we'll go see the rest of the spot. This console right here has your coffee, big bottles of water actually. And look down here, y'all. They got this, the mini bar with some chips, some Oreos. And that Jack Daniels is not from here, but they do have some beer, a couple of wines, water, candy. This is restocked every day. All inclusive, y'all. And then just the ice buckets right there in the corner. Now we look at the room. Another closet right here. Come on in, we got a double bed. Got that darker wood accents here. Very nice, very solid. I think I like this room better than the Ziva in Cancun. Got your TV right here. A little spot to do if you want to sit down on one of those little things. We got a seating area right over here. And we have a balcony. It's closed so we can reveal the view. The view. Look at this. We have the ocean view set up right here. You can tell out there this nice size balcony. You come on out here. When you open the door, the air conditioner stops. Well, boom. Look at this, y'all. All right, well, now we have better lighting because I opened up the window for our little surprise, but this is the spot. Can you dig it?
Si ganamos el acuerdo.
El punto era permanecer anónima, no guardar.
Good. Have some.